Hello, my name is Illon Osei, and I come from high school of medical science.
My name is Hafsa Yucel, and I come from medical school.
And the title of our presentation is Building and Programming an Autonomous Robot.
We worked at City College of New York with Professor Zhao.
For background information, robotics is the science and technology of robots, their design and application. Robotics require working knowledge of software, mechanics, and electronics. Those that work in the field of robotics are referred to as roboticists.
Eventually, robots will be all around us. Actually, like even your computer can be like considered a robot because it like does stuff and it's programmed, and they make life easier, especially like in medical field too.
Alright, so our objective was basically to build a robot, which was going to be like a mobile robot with 4 wheels, and like it'll be able to go to any direction we command it to go in. But we have to program it in order to go left or right. And also we hope to maneuver the robot with a remote control. This is kind of like an example of our robot, but not exactly.
We use batteries and screws and like we use like stuff like metals, and we use programming software and of course like a computer, and we use sensors. I think we don't have it here. We use sensors because it's going to be an autonomous robot in the future, hopefully, and it's going to move without remote control actually. And you're just going to program it, and it's not going to hit like a wall or anything. Like it's not going to hit the obstacles or anything.
This is an example of our materials we use. All the junk, the wires, and our procedure. First, we started working on the body of the robot. Basically, the body of the robot is going to be like this whole metal plate. And with the metal plate is where we're going to put all the other items like the robot controller, the wheels, the motors, and everything. After that, after we finished building the body of the robot, then we put the wheels together. And once we did the wheels, then we put the multi-speed motors. And we put it under the metal plate in proximity with the wheels. So this way, they'll be given the power for the wheels to start moving.
Once we connected the motors, like we connected the brain of the robot. It's called robot controller on the metal plate, on top of the metal plate. It's like it has like input sides. Like you put the motor wires on it, and you sometimes like solder it. Yeah. Then after we fasten the remote controller, we connected the motors to the like brain of the robot. Then we soldered the electricity.
So what is soldering? Soldering is the process in which 2 or more metals are joined together by flowing or heating. In this way, we were able to use this in order to build like wires or cords. And soldering is mainly used in the field of electronics and plumbing. As you see right here, that's me soldering some wires right there. So, the thing is extremely hot, so you have to be very careful of how you use it. And yeah, I forgot to wear my goggles, but yeah.
So,
That's not right.
then we use a software as you see. We use the do C, and so it can move around autonomously. But we didn't like finish the programming yet. We didn't actually like are halfway there yet, but we started.
So as for the results, we finished developing the body of the robot. However, we're not finished completing the whole robot yet, such as the programming and everything. We're still waiting because programming takes a long time, so we're still waiting to do that and for the robot to follow commands.
This is our basic robot. Here's the assist, and here's the brain of the robot. Here are the inputs and stuff. This is the battery thingy.
And we actually named it the static bot. So.
Yeah.
Well, in our future studies, we hope to complete building the static bot, and we also hope to send our robot into the first robotic competition. So it's like a robotic competition which high schools all around the nation, they come together, they bring their robots, bring ours, that.
Here are references. Cardinal movements, down, back to side.
Something that good, but this is a serious thing. You should be able to present your work seriously, right? You've seen many of the presentations earlier. You did good work, but what about the program? C++. You did C++, right?
Yeah, we just received the program.
Yeah, we're gonna put that then. Right now it's not.
When you built the robot, was it called static bot or did you give it the name?
I gave it the name.
In addition to directional commands, will you give it any limbs so it can pick up objects and move them?
No, we don't have it doesn't have an arm.
Any questions?